Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to teach you how to fall from the side. Right? In judo we call this Yoko Ukemi. Right? Yoko means side, Ukemi means fall. Right? This is Migi, it's right side, and this is Hidari, left side. And I'm just going to demonstrate what a side break fall looks like. And then I'm going to show you the progression, how you're going to learn this technique. Yeah? So let's begin. Yeah. So I slapped the mat. My legs came down like this. Framed my hand up like that to protect my face from anything on top of me. And my head is off of the ground, looking kind of like where my legs are. Yeah? That's the finishing posture of the fall. When we teach the progression, we start with the finish, right? Because there is a little bit of risk of injury in the finish. For instance, if you fall and you bang your knees together, that's going to hurt. If you fall and this heel strikes, it puts a lot of pressure on the knee. Yeah? So we just kind of learn how to fall, right, from the finishing position. And all we do is rotate our legs, right? And we practice that. And we start slow. And eventually, we'll begin to increase our tempo. Yeah. The next portion of this progression is learning from your butt. Basically, what we want to do is we don't want to just fall to the side like that. Yeah. A lot of people have a tendency to do that. What we want to do is want to fall kind of back, but along our side. So kind of like back to the side. Back to the side. Right? Notice my leg comes up a little bit. That's good. And then we're going to incorporate our slap. We're going to come like this, put our legs down, slap. Going to lean to the side, our legs, make sure our legs are placed correctly, slap. And we do it on the left side. Lean back, make sure our legs hit correctly, slap, framing our hand here. Yeah, and that's from our butt. Right? Then we'll progress from a squatting position. In this position, again, all we're going to do is we're just going to roll back, kind of like a rocking horse, right? Not straight back, just a little bit to an angle. Make sure that our legs hit properly. And we're going to slap the mat and frame. Once our legs are hitting the ground correctly, then we can put it all together in one motion. Yeah, it looks like this. Right. That's just to get you comfortable going to the rear. But we really want to go to the side, right? So we're going to adjust our training just a little bit. We'll go into a squat. We're going to put our right leg out if we're going to the right side. Going to the left side, we'll put our left leg out. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to start on our right. We're going to slide. This is the same posture that we were in just a minute ago, right? We're just like this, right? Like this. Just stick this out. Now we're doing this in steps because it's a lot more complicated than the back break ball. Yeah? But basically, we will then progress to standing. And here, we're going to put our leg out. We're going to squat. We're going to roll onto our back. And we're going to make sure that our legs hit correctly. And we're going to slap. Looks like this. Yeah, framing with the hand, protected our head. Everything looks good. We're going to start this way because trying to just do a break fall from standing can be a little scary, right? So we'll do this a few times until eventually you feel comfortable enough with one motion. And we can do this slowly. It doesn't have to be fast. It's all about how comfortable you feel about taking the fall, because at the end of the day, safety is really important. It's important to me, and I'm sure it's important to you. Just like this. And before you know it, you'll be breaking your fall this way. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you have questions about Moraine Valley Judo Academy, you can DM me directly. Always happy to talk through any concerns that you might have or questions as well. All right, so make it a great day.